Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing 24/7. In this video, we will be learning how to delete your Picsart posts. To delete your posts from Picsart, first of all, open up the Picsart application on your mobile device and make sure to sign into your account. Once you're logged in, from the main homepage, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right-hand corner. Soon after you tap on your profile icon, you will be able to see all of your posts on the page. Select the post that you want to delete and tap on it. Now, in order to delete the post, tap on the three dots at the top right and click on Delete. Click on Yes in the pop-up and you will then be able to delete the selected post from your profile. Once you've deleted a post, it cannot be recovered, so make sure you are certain before deleting it. That is how you delete a post from your Picsart profile in just a couple of minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.